What's up everybody, this is Awais back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite features in Mac OS Sierra. Starting off with the name, OS 10 has become Mac OS Sierra. In terms of wallpaper, we got two new wallpapers, Sierra 1 and Sierra 2. Next up we have picture-in-picture mode. Like the iPad, Safari on Mac get picture-in-picture mode where you can shrink a video and put it in a corner of your screen so you can watch whatever you want while you're working. You can snap your video on the top right, top left, bottom right and bottom left. But let's say if you want to drop your video in the middle of your screen, you can hold on the command key and then move your video, then you can just drop it wherever you want on your screen. Next we have a storage optimization feature. You will notice that there's a new option in the storage, purgeable, so you can see that how much space you can purge from your hard drive. Optimized storage is a new automated system for dealing with storage space on your Mac. If you're using iCloud, your Mac can now decide which files to keep on the cloud and which to keep on your hard drive based on your usage. It can also go through and delete old files, duplicates and old app installers to help you free up the space. You can find this setting under Apple About This Mac and click on Storage and then click on Manage. iCloud Drive can store your local documents on the cloud now. So if you click on iCloud, go to Options. Here you need to make sure that desktop and document folders are selected. Moving on to Notification Center. Notification Center has a new look. Notification Center itself looks mostly unchanged from previous versions of macOS, with the notable exceptions of all new Siri integration, which lets you pin search results from Siri to the Notification Center. If you click on the Edit button, you will see all the widgets available to your Notification Center. You can add your Siri search as a widget as well, but we have some widgets such as Calculator, Find My Friends, Wall Clock, iTunes. I'm gonna add a few widgets to show you guys how it looks like. So I'm gonna add a calculator. So the calculator will stay in your Notification Center now, so you can access your calculator very easily. There is a drag and drop in notification feature as well. Any item you pin to the Notification Center can be dragged out to the desktop or dropped into any other apps. For instance, if you're working on a newsletter for your school in Pages, you can easily ask Siri to find images on your classmates or on a Mac or any other image. So I'm going to search for the tiger image, and as you can see that I just dragged that Siri search and dropped that into Notes application. Photos in Mac OS Sierra uses computer vision and machine learning to analyze your photos so you can search them by faces and objects in them. The cool new feature in Photos helps you rediscover your meaningful or long forgotten memories. Memories creates a curated collection of occasions like the first birthday party, wedding or family vacation. The new people albums group photos in dedicated album based on who is in them. You can manually merge faces, edit people, select your favorite images for an album. This is my demo computer, that's why I don't have a lot of pictures, but I'm just gonna show you how to edit pictures in Photos. Now in Photos app on a Mac, you can get all those editing features what you have on your iPhone Photos app. So you can edit your image such as auto enhance, crop your image, color correction, and much more. The Apple Music interface in iTunes has received a facelift to make it resemble Apple Music on your iPhone and iPad, with bold headline, stronger typography and bigger graphics. Other visual changes in Apple Music on Sierra make it easier to discover new music, browse exclusive and new releases. Although Messages in Mac OS Sierra lacks the digital touch feature, screen/bubble effect, or a built-in store with downloadable stickers, it displays stickers when others message you on iMessage by using their iPhone. Plus you can use 3x bigger emoji, tap back reaction, and inline preview of URL and YouTube videos. Messages in Mac OS Sierra automatically turns a YouTube URL into a thumbnail that can be clicked to play the clip right inside the chat window. Let's talk about Siri. Siri made its way to Mac computers, and that was a major update to Mac OS Sierra. You can access Siri on the Mac in 5 different ways. Access Siri from the dock, access Siri from its menu bar, open Siri app manually, or from application folder. You can use Spotlight to open Siri, invoke Siri via keyboard command. In Siri settings, you can change language, you can change voice to Australian or British English, you can change that to female to male. You can access microphone. If you have a multiple microphone plugged into your Mac, you can access whichever you like. You can add a shortcut key to Siri. The default command is hold command space. So make sure when you press command and spacebar, you need to hold those keys to turn on Siri. If you just press those keys, it will toggle on Spotlight search. Apple first introduced Siri to the iPhone 4S in October 2011, and now the digital voice assistant has made its way to Mac computers. You can use Siri on the Mac to open application, ask questions, search for files, set up FaceTime calls, and control music on iTunes. And when you perform a search using Siri, you can pin the search result in the Today's section within the notification center. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Cheers.